Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Camry, a sedan that continues to impress with its blend of style, performance, and advanced features. Known for its reliability and practicality, the Camry remains one of the most popular choices in its segment, and the 2025 model takes it a step further with updated design, technology, and efficiency. The exterior of the 2025 Camry is both bold and refined. It features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with sharp lines that give it a commanding presence on the road. The front end has been redesigned with a larger, more aggressive grille and LED headlights that provide excellent visibility while adding a modern touch. Daytime running lights and chrome accents enhance the upscale feel, while alloy wheels and a subtle rear spoiler contribute to the sporty appearance. The Camry's profile is smooth, and the overall design balances elegance with a sense of motion, making it stand out in traffic without being overly flashy. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and practicality. The interior is clean and well organized, with supportive seats and high-quality materials that create a pleasant environment for both driver and passengers. The dashboard features an intuitive layout with a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports. While the interior is not overly large, it is functional, offering enough space for everyday use and a comfortable ride for longer journeys. The controls are easily accessible, and thoughtful touches like ambient lighting and soft touch surfaces add to the overall experience. Performance is one of the Camry's strong points. The 2025 model offers a choice between a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 3.5-liter V6, both paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The four-cylinder provides a smooth and efficient ride, while the V6 offers more power for those who enjoy spirited driving. Handling is precise, and the suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and control, making it easy to navigate city streets or cruise on the highway. The hybrid variant delivers impressive fuel economy, providing an eco-friendly option without sacrificing performance. Acceleration is responsive, and the overall driving experience is refined, reliable, and enjoyable. Safety is a major focus in the 2025 Camry. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features such as pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and advanced braking systems further enhance occupant protection. These safety features provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, ensuring that the Camry is as secure as it is stylish and efficient. The Camry's unique selling points include its strong reputation for reliability, excellent resale value, availability of a hybrid model, and the perfect balance of comfort, technology, and performance. It is a versatile sedan that appeals to a wide range of drivers, from families seeking practicality to individuals looking for a stylish and dependable daily driver. The combination of modern features, efficient engines, and a comfortable interior makes it one of the most compelling options in the midsize sedan segment. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Camry starts at approximately $27,000 for the base model and can go up to around $38,000 for fully loaded variants. The hybrid version starts slightly higher but offers long-term savings through superior fuel efficiency. This makes the Camry not only an appealing choice for its features and comfort but also a smart investment in terms of value and ownership costs. The 2025 Toyota Camry continues to be a standout in the midsize sedan market. Its elegant exterior, functional and comfortable interior, reliable performance, advanced safety systems, and strong overall value make it an excellent choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you prioritize style, efficiency, or technology, the Camry delivers a well-rounded package that meets expectations and remains a top contender in its class.